Okay, see question number 14. The value of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 integral dx by greatest integer x plus greatest integer sin x plus 4 is equal to how much? This shows greatest integer function like they have told. Integration, inside integration greatest integer function for my under this modulus like we will do. Why? Because we will get some experience. And see, normally we will see that whether this is the odd function or even function. If it is odd function, minus pi to pi c is 0 like we will think. But in answers, 4 options they have not given 0. That is the direct answer I have written. This is the answer. Okay. Now let us proceed. That means this is not an odd function, even function only. Let us see how we are going to solve this and all. Okay. See, greatest integer function. We know very well. This greatest integer function and the sine greatest integer function both are different. See how to put this for this both are different. See how I want to explain. See, observe. This is 0. This is minus 1. This is plus 1. What about this? You tell me minus pi by 2 means what will come? See, pi is equal to 3.14. Pi by 2 means 1.57. Is it okay? 2 sevens are 14, 2 fives are 10 plus 1, 11, 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, 3.14. Approximately I am talking about 1.57. That means see 1.57 I am writing here minus, and again I am writing here minus pi by 2. Why? Because you have to know this value is 1.57 like. Same like here also will come plus 1.57 but plus pi by 2. Okay. Now you think 1 minute why I have written these intervals. 4 intervals I have written here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? See, this is the greatest integer function. Only integer it gives. If you give 0, 0 will give. If you give greater than 0 but less than 1, then 0 only it gives. If you give greater than 1 but less than 2, it gives 1. But you cannot give greater than 1.57. Why? Because they are restricting here. Minus 1.572 plus 1.57. Why? Because the pi by 2 value is 1.57. That is why both sides, negative side, positive side, these are the limits for this function, greatest integer function. What about sin s? That also I have to write. Let me write this also. I am writing sin s. Okay, this is sin x. Okay, see, I am writing. These are the positive values. See, we are given minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 means this is negative, this is minus pi by 2, this is plus pi by 2, this is 0, we know very well. Okay, but we don't take these. We are going to take what are the value output. But because here this is numerical, that is the directive, these are the output, numerical input, numerical output. But here that is not the case here. This is a little bit different. You observe carefully what else I have taken this question. Sin x here it will be minus 1, sin x here it will be 0, sin x here it will be plus 1. That means see, from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, sin x value will be minus 1 to plus 1. In between 0 also is there. That is one thing. Another thing, if it is greater than minus pi by 2 up to 0, it gives minus 1 only. Why? Because integer is minus 1 only. That value you have to take. Why? Because the greatest integer function output you have to write. Na? Output is minus 1 or 0 or plus 1. That's all. You think whether plus 1 comes. Doesn't come. Why? Because see, pi by 2 is 1.57 only. If you do 2, then only 2 will come. 1 will come. But you are not going to give 2. You are going to give only 1.57. 1.57 you are giving me automatically it is going to come 0 only. Understand? That is the logic you have to understand here. Okay. Now let us proceed. Now enough I have told. This is plus 4. That is not a problem. Okay. Now how I am splitting, you observe carefully. Why? Because even though looking small, that it takes time and it takes space also. See how I am changing this. See, I am changing this from minus pi by 2 to minus 1 in first case, and dx by, observe carefully, this is very crucial, you have to do. Minus pi by 2 to minus 1 means here what answer it is going to come? Left side minus 2 is going to come for this. That is very important. Integer is minus 2 plus. Now tell me, minus pi by 2 to minus 1 means what we are going to come here? Minus 1. Okay? Plus 4. Okay? Plus. Now interval minus 1 to 0. Integral minus 1 to 0. Minus pi by 2 to minus 1, minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0. Dx by, again, see, minus 1 to 1 we are giving. Minus 1 to 1. Greatest integer function is going to come minus 1 only. That means here minus 1 will come. Plus. Minus 1 to 1 we are giving, but not greater than 0. For sin x it is coming minus 1 only again. Minus 1, minus 1. You have to understand like this. RL you are not able to do. Plus 4. 4 is not going to change. Okay? Plus integral. Now 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Dx by. 0 to 1 means if for greater integer function 0 is going to come. Why? Because 1 it is not reaching. Up to 0 to 1. That means 0. Plus. 0 to 1 means sin x 0 only. Less is 0. 0. Plus 4. Plus integral. Now 1 to pi by 2. 1 to plus pi by 2. Dx by. 1 to pi by 2 means plus 1.57. But greater integer function is 1 which is going to come. 1. Plus. See, 1 to pi by 2 means you are not giving 2. That means automatically this is going to come 0 only, sin. Plus. Understand? Why? Because sin plus 1 will not come. Okay? Greatest integer function. 1.57 you are giving. Here it is going to come 0 only for sin. 4. Okay? If you understand this, then 50% of the question completed, like you can think, and we will proceed. Okay, you see, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, plus 4, 1, 1 by 1, 1. That means see, integral dx minus pi by 2 to plus minus 1, 1. Okay, 1 by 1 is 1. Plus integral minus 1 to 0. Here also, see, minus 2 plus 4, 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 dx. Plus integral 0 to minus 1, 1 by 4 dx, plus integral 1 to pi by 2, 1 by 5 dx, that is equal to. You understand now? Okay? That is the logic here. Now we write here. Why? Because that space is not enough for me. Now see, what is this x? Or what are minus pi by 2 to minus 1, plus what is this? 1 by 2 into x or x by 2, minus 1 to 0, plus what is this? 1 by 4 into inside x, but 0 to minus 1. What is this? 1 by 5 outside, but x, and 1 to pi by 2. Okay? Now carefully you have to do this. See, minus 1, minus of minus, plus pi by 2. Okay? Upper limit minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, okay? Plus 1 by 2 into, see, upper limit is 0, minus of minus plus 1, plus 1 by 4 into, upper limit is minus 1, minus 0 or something is 0, 0 you don't consider. 1 by 5, upper limit is pi by 2, minus 1. Okay? And now you have to solve this. Right now, see, plus pi by 2, this also you have to send inside, then only you can do. Okay, now you see, pi by 2 minus 1, I am writing like this, you see, pi by 2 minus 1, 1 into 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 4, see, pi by 10, minus 1 by 5. Okay? Okay, shall I try to solve here itself? Let's see. Then if I take what we can say, denominator for pi, LCM, 2 5 times go, 5 pi plus pi. Okay, that means see pi by 2 and pi by 10 case over. Then I have taken LCM, 2 5 times and 5 pi, 6 pi will come. Okay, now see 2 4 5. Shall I take 20 as LCM? Plus 20 as LCM I have taken. 20 if I take LCM, see here is 1. Okay, minus 20. Okay, and 2 means plus 10. Okay, 4 minus means minus 4 5 minus 5 and minus again 5 means 4. Okay, that is equal to see 6 pi by 10, 6 pi by 10 plus 20 you take as LCM. You see positive numbers how much? I think some mistake happened. Okay, see here we have done mistake. See minus pi by 2 to minus 1, minus 1 to 0, 0 to plus 1 this is. Okay, and plus 1 to pi by 2. If it is plus 1 then this will be plus 1. If it is plus 1 this will be plus 1. That means plus 1 by 4. Okay, now we are going to get the answer. Plus 1 by 4 means see 4 5 times. This is plus 5. Now see 19 minus 24. Okay, sorry, plus 15. Minus 24 plus 15. Minus 9. Okay, minus 9. Okay, now 20 only we are going to take LCM. 20 means see at one go I am doing 20 if I take LCM then 12 pi minus 9. Now see 3 by 20 you take common, that means see 20 is there already and 3 you take what we can say common, 4 pi minus 3. Okay, 4 pi minus 3. Now answer is 3 by 20, 4 pi minus 3. See calculation mistakes will happen in such type of questions. Carefully you have to do. Let us go for next question.